Here's how to make stickers on Snapchat. Now, if you want to create your own custom stickers that you can send to everyone, I'm going to show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the Snapchat app here. And the first thing you can do is just take a picture. So I'm going to take a picture of this remote here. To create a sticker of that remote, I'm going to tap on the little scissors icon at the top right. You can see make a sticker and it automatically detects that there's an object in there. I can tap on the remote at the very top and you can see it creates that sticker. Or I can also tap on the scissors and outline specifically what I want it to create. And just like that, it uses that outline to create the sticker. Now, of course, I can move these all around, but I can also hop back out of here. And let's say I just take a random other photo. I can add that sticker. It's automatically added to my saved stickers. I can tap on the little sticker icon at the top right above the scissors. And now I'm going to tap on the scissors at the top right. You can see here are the stickers. I can manually add that in. I can pinch it to get it smaller or bigger. Of course, if you don't want it on there anymore, you can always send it down to the trash can and you're good to go.